Have you ever wanted to let your computer perform a task on your behalf? In this tutorial, I will explain what a cron job is and also how to understand the cron expression with some example, and I will give a practical demo at the end. Let's get started. Cron jobs are automated tasks that run at scheduled intervals. You can use it to perform myriad of tasks such as backing up files, sending out weekly reports, or simply updating the database at a regular interval. So how does it work? Cron job basically leverage five characters to determine how to perform a task on your behalf. The first part shows the minute of the hour. Think about it like how many minutes is in the hour and what minute do I want to run my script. The second part shows the hours in a day, 24 hours in a day, anytime before 12 is in the morning and anything after 12 is in the afternoon. The third portion shows the day of the month. The maximum we can have is 31 days in a month. The fourth portion shows the month in a year. We have 12 months in a year. And the fifth portion shows the day of the week. We have 7 days in a week, with one representing Monday, two representing Tuesday, three representing Wednesday, etc. etc. So we also have special characters like asterisk to capture all feed, dash is for a range of values, and comma is for a list, and slash is for a stepwise increment. So, but all of this will make sense once we start going through the example. So let's get started. So let's go through the first example. We have the cron expression 38 asterisk asterisk 1. So what does this mean? So what this means is that we are telling the job to run at the 38th minute of the hour and the 8th hour of the day. Remember, anything before 12 is in the morning, which is AM. The asterisk for the day of the month and month phase simply means run for every day of the month for every month of the year. The last part, which is one, means runs on Monday. Remember, one means Monday, two means Tuesday. So this expression basically means run the job at 8:30 a.m. every Monday. So we'll look at two more examples just to drive the point home. So we have another cron expression 45, 14, 15, 7 asterisk. So what we are telling the computer here is to run the job at the 45th minute of the hour and the 14th hour of the day, which is 2 p.m. Like 14 minus 12 is 2, and anything after 12 is p.m. Then run on the 15th day of the month. Remember, it is the day of the month, and also the seventh month of the year, which is corresponding to July. And the last part is asterisk, which means run on any day of the week. So, what do you think it means? It's basically telling us that we should run this job at 2:45 p.m. on July 15 of every year. Okay, we're going to take one more, which is a little complicated, just to drive the point home. Now, here we are telling the job to run at an increment of 5 minutes for every minute. Remember, the slash is for increment. So this job will run at the 5th, the 10th, the 15th minute, the 20th minute at an increment of 5, like that. This is different from when you just have 5 at the beginning of the minute, because what that is saying is that you should run the job at the 5th minute. So the slash is just telling you that I want it at an increment of that particular value that you set, which is in this case 5. So whenever you see slash in a specific place, just think about it as increment. Now, for the second portion, we have the hour field that runs from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. because 17 minus 12, which is more than 12, so it's going to be in p.m. So this is going to be 5 p.m. Then the next one is run on every day of the month because we have asterisk there, and every month of the year because we have asterisk in the month of the year field. So basically, we also have 1 to 5 for the day of the week. Remember, the dash is telling us range, right? From this point to this point. So this is telling us to run from the first to the Friday, right? For the first part of it, which is Monday, to the fifth, which is Friday. So basically Monday to Friday, which is weekdays. So what this expression is telling us is to schedule this job to run every 5 minutes during working hours, right? Because from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekdays. So basically, that is what it is saying. So, for instance, they could give you like, I want you to schedule a job that runs every 5 minutes during working hours. How would you do that? So, this is like a way you can interpret it. Okay, we'll get to demo now, and you'll see the practice. Thank you. So, I have a script that I wrote called Daily Quote, and this contains list of quotes. And here you can just randomly get those quotes and actually execute this script. If you want to execute it, you can change the mode to executable. You have something like this. And just to confirm, so if I run this script right here, I will see this, believe in yourself, and all of that. Now, to make this a Cron expression so that it can run automatically on my computer, I'll use Cron tab. And in the Cron tab, it opens a Vim editor. And to edit in Vim, you just press I on your keyboard. I'm going to put the syntax that we learned about. And after the syntax is always the command. So you can just think about it this way. And what this is saying is that runs every minute of every hour, every day. So this is just going to run every day, every hour, till you stop the expression from executing. So this is the quote that I want to run. Is the script that I want to run. It's called daily quote the shell. I'm going to press escape and press column WQ to save this. And your terminal can show you a notification that do you want to allow this. Click on yes. And if you want to see if everything has been set up correctly, you can press Cron tab -L. This will show you the list of the cron job that you have set up, and this cron job is running every minute with this particular script right here. So what we are going to see is that the next minute after we've set up this cron job, the notification will come up and it's your script that back up a specific folder also on your computer. You see it just pops out right now. Or your computer, you can do so many cool things and you automate it and it just runs without or on a specific schedule that you've set up. So thank you so much for listening.